Hello family. Today we're going to have air fried potatoes, the small potatoes, and air fried chicken with some honey sauce. Let's do this. Okay, I had a bunch of small potatoes and I cut them in half. I think I got them all. I am going to put a little bit of olive oil in them. And I'm not going by a recipe on this. I'm going to put some salt in here. Some pepper. Some onion powder. I have the air fryer warming up on 400 degrees. Some garlic powder. Some parsley. I always have to have parsley when it comes to potatoes. I also have a little bit of Parmesan cheese I'm going to add to that. And I also have some grated cheese here. Parmesan grated, so I'm going to add that. I didn't realize I hadn't opened it yet. Okay. Okay. We're just going to give this a mix. I think I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to it. Okay, these will be ready to go into the air fryer then. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. I want to get all that goodness out of there, so I'm going to make sure this gets in the basket. Here we go. Now I'm going to put these in there for about 10 minutes, then shake them up, check them. Okay, while the potatoes after 10 minutes I shook them. I gave them another 10 minutes. We'll check them though. So now I'm going to do the chicken. I've got some chicken tenders here. Just going to put them in this bowl with all the flavors of the potatoes. I am going to add a little bit of olive oil. Put a little pepper on these. I'm not going to add salt because I'm going to put this in. This my son brought from Texas. Garlic rub. I'm going to add that seasoning. I like it. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. And some paprika. Now I'm just going to try to get these coated good. I'm going to flip them over here. We're going to do that again. I'm going to wash these because they're oily. I will wash these with soap and water. Okay. Okay. Those look really good. I'm going to put these in here. Oh, there's still some oil in there. That's okay. Okay. We're going to set that aside. Now, these over here. I'm just going to give this a spray while the air fryer is still hot with some olive oil. Just the bottom part. Now we're going to place the chicken in here. All right, now we're going to put these in for 10 minutes and then flip them. I'm just going to give these a stir. And you can always warm these up in the air fryer when they're, once you got them cold, and you can pop them in the air fryer for a few minutes, crisp them up again. I'm going to keep this. Make sure that when I flip the chicken, I'll just pour this over the chicken. Put this over the chicken. I'll get my my brush. Okay, we're going to flip these. I'm going to flip them over. They smell really good. I'm going to take the rest of this and just kind of give it a good coat. Whoa, almost lost it. I'm so glad I have angels. Help me all the time. I'm putting this in another 10 minutes. Okay, these are done. Now we head up to part 2. What we're going to do is I'm doubling the sauce recipe. We're going to put it on like medium low. And we're going to melt the butter. I put in a stick. Oh, that chicken smells really good. I wish we had smell-o-vision, you guys. It's amazing. It is amazing. Okay. Got my dishes put away. I like to keep everything clean, do dishes as I go, as I cook. Because by the time you get done cooking, you're tired. That's why a lot of dishes don't get done. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some honey. I'm going to take about a cup of honey or more and add to this butter. You got to watch it because honey will burn really fast. So you want to keep it going. I'm going to add just a little bit more. About a cup and a quarter cup. You just want to stir it around here a little bit. Just to let it simmer a little bit. Now, we're going to put the chicken pieces in here. Here. Now we're just going to make sure they get good and coated. We're just going to let this simmer for like 1 to 2 minutes because you don't want it to burn. See how I got a dish rag in one hand and a spoon in the other? That's how I do it. Okay. We're going to put this sauce aside and save it and warm it up to pour over the chicken as we eat it. But right now we're just letting it simmer a little bit in here. You don't have to. I mean, I doubled it because I wanted leftover sauce. But you don't have to do that much. Half a stick of butter and a half a cup of honey is enough. Unless you like a lot of sauce over it. So I always like to have leftover sauce. It's starting to boil now, so just going to give it a couple more minutes here. Just maybe a minute. Okay, we're going to shut this off now because we don't want the honey to burn. And then we're going to try it. You ready for some? Let's try this. Potato. Those little potatoes are perfect for air frying. I cut up the chicken. And see, now this is where you want extra sauce to dip it in. First bite. Delicious. Another bite. Another potato. Very good. You'll have to try this. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.